Troubleshooting a UE error code on an LG washer. If you are seeing a UE error code on your LG washer's display panel, this indicates an unbalanced load has been detected during rinsing or spinning, and the washer is unable to automatically balance the load on its own. In most cases, this code can be easily resolved without the need for a technician. First, press the Start/Pause button to pause the cycle and wait until you are able to open the machine. For small loads, manually rearrange the garments inside the washer to evenly distribute the weight in the drum, then restart the cycle. For mixed loads, it is better if the clothing is separated and washed according to fabric types such as jeans, cotton fabrics, bedding, etc. Then manually redistribute the load inside the washer as evenly as possible and restart the cycle. Lastly, make sure your machine is properly leveled on a stable surface. If the washer is tilted or can rock from corner to corner, it can be difficult for it to properly balance the load. Please refer to your product owner's manual or our video on leveling a washer for instructions. If after performing these steps the UE error code persists, the unit will require repair service. Please visit our Request a Repair page. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.